Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today we're going to talk about Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. We're looking at the trading view chart, which is a basically free charting package. A lot of it's free on the daily time frame, and I trade this stock a lot. And I like it because it has the resistance and support, and I'm a swing trader and I trade the trends in between. And you can see that right now Broadcom is at its high point. The MACD says, hey, I think it might go down, and we're starting to lose some momentum. So I want to delve in a little further and analyze fundamentally what Broadcom is doing and determine whether I want to go long, short, or neutral, or just not play it. As you can see, Broadcom price has surged over the last 2 or 3 weeks. A recent article in Simply Wall Street says Broadcom's 29% share price surge not quite adding up. And they make a few points. Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO, makes all kinds of semiconductor devices for the internet and other equipment. This company's been around for a while and is quite healthy, and it's had a great future ahead of it. The earnings are forecast to grow by over 43%. Now, here's some problems. There's diluted shares, especially over the last year. High level of debt. Well, all companies have that. The profit margins have been shrinking, and some insider selling going on. ADM, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, NVIDIA are all competitors. Hey, by the way, the snowflake, you want it to be big and green. And if you're looking at price increases, you want the future growth to be on the upswing. You want big and green. And this is not big and green. Here's the price track. Broadcom is in the AI. And the president recently sold $1.7 million in stock. Why? A month before that, 2 million. Oh, 8 million. 8 million. I missed the 8. Hey, the current price is $176. The fair price should be about $167. So it's a little bit overpriced by about 6%. So that significant price jump of over 29% over the last month really contributed to the 109% annual price increase. Doing good. So the next point I want to make is that Broadcom has a high valuation if you look at its price to sales ratio, which is at about 17.6, and this is significantly above the industry norm. It should raise concerns. But look at NVIDIA, 31.8. That's certainly overvalued. Here's Broadcom coming in at 17.6, but these guys look like a better bargain. Broadcom is expensive based on its price to sales ratio. In a minute, I will show you the revenue growths, which look pretty good. But when you compare them to the industry, not so good. You want to see a chart like this, with revenue and growth both projecting upward. But taking a look at the Analysts' future growth forecasts, the earnings growth, this company is projected to outperform the industry, which should outperform the market. But revenue is lagging behind the industry. So maybe there's some good news here, but the company revenue growth is going to outperform the market, but not the industry. So the price growth and the elevated price to sales ratio may not be justified when you look at the revenue. And I think there's going to be a slight pullback. Let's take a look at the chart one more time. So what I'm saying is it's at the top of the scale. The technicals say strong buy, according to TradingView. The analysts, all the analysts are saying, hey, buy. The 1-year price target is only about 9%, going to about 192, somewhere around here. But if you look at what's happened in the past, it gets up to this level, it drops back. Gets up to that level, drops back. Gets up to that level, it starts dropping back. Now we had a good day Friday. So the average is 176. This is currently at 192. And that's 176 if you take all the analyst considerations. a couple analysts think it's going to go down to 160. This is the range. Hey, everybody's guessing. There's one more thing to consider. You had a drop. Here's your 50%, and it definitely pulled back there. Now you have a rise. Here's about 50%, and if you believe in the 50% retracement, you should get to around 160. So I think I'm going short for the next 2 to 3 or 4 months out. I seem to do better swing trading long term, swing trading tops and bottoms, tops, and the projection here, 50% retracement. It might go down further. So what do you think of this trade? Let me know in the comments. Also, remember, do your own due diligence, learn this stuff, and win. But Broadcom deserves to be on your watch list because it's a nice, stable stock that swings nicely. Happy trading!